Alright guys, today we're taking a look at the Bestech Toucan. This is kind of a cool knife. It's got a really interesting blade shape to it. It's almost like a recurve and a Tonto, but the Tonto, or the switch for the Tonto is fairly far back on the blade, so it's a really unique looking blade shape. Overall length is 8.375 inches, blade length of 3.5 inches, and it is D2 steel. It's a liner lock flipper. And the handles are 4.875 inches in length. And these ones have tan G10. There are other colors available, so check those out as well. The overall weight on this guy is not listed on my spec sheet. I will throw it in later using video editing magic. The tactical clothespin I have should give you a good idea of how big this guy is. So there you have it. Go ahead and check this knife out and buy it at BladeHQ.com. Guys, this is the Bestech Knives Toucan.